Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss a puzzle which is based on different people visiting to the different destinations on different days. आज हम एक ऐसी पज़ल पर चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं जिसमें कि अलग अलग लोग हैं, अलग अलग डेस्टिनेशन को अलग अलग दिन में जाते हैं। तो आइए जल्दी से इसको पढ़ लेते हैं। PQRS, TV and WR 7 friends who left for 7 different destinations: Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Chandigarh and Jaipur, each one on a different day of the week. 7 मित्र PQRS, TV and W अलग अलग डेस्टिनेशन दिल्ली, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, बेंगलोर, कोलकाता, चंडीगढ़ और जयपुर के लिए सप्ताह के अलग अलग दिन में एक के हिसाब से जाते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द फ्रेमिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. So here we will put the days grid. I have taken this days grid from a calendar and put it as it is. Based on this we can see last working day of the week is Saturday and first working day of the week is Monday. Of course Sunday is in red color, means this is the holiday, but here it will be counted as day 1. So let us read the information ahead. R left for Jaipur on Monday. सोमवार को R जयपुर के लिए चला गया. This is the confirmed information. So we will put the information as it is. On the last day of the week a person left for Bangalore. सप्ताह के आखिरी दिन एक आदमी एक बेंगलोर को चला गया. T left the next day of P. We have to arrange this information little. T left the next day of P. Suppose here is the P. So next day of P will come here. P who left for Chandigarh. P Chandigarh and on the previous day of W. This is applicable to T. Means T जो गया है वो W के पहले दिन गया है. W के पहले दिन means इसके T के नीचे W आ जाएगा. So this is the arrangement of information. S left for Kolkata on Friday. फ्राइडे को S कलकत्ता के लिए चला गया. ये कंफर्म इंफॉर्मेशन है. So we will put it here. Q did not leave for either Hyderabad or Bangalore. Q के बारे में कहा गया है हैदराबाद और बेंगलोर, इन जगहों पर ये Q जाता नहीं है. And W left for Delhi. This is the confirmed information. W left for Delhi. So before this we will take these PTW. 3 columns are available here. P, T and W. Based on this, P destination Chandigarh is already given. And W Delhi, this is given here. Now बेंगलोर Q जाता नहीं है तो यहाँ पर हम Q को कैंसिल मारेंगे. कैंसिल मारने के बाद हमारे पास एक ही जगह बचती है संडे वाली, तो वहाँ पर Q चला जाएगा कंफर्म इंफॉर्मेशन में here. Now once Q is there and Q does not go to Hyderabad or Bangalore, means Bangalore नीचे आ गया तो हैदराबाद ऊपर तो आएगा नहीं, तो यहाँ नीचे आएगा. हैदराबाद. So leftover city, that is Chennai, will go on the top here. Also, we will remove this additional information Q. Now, what is left? Only V is left. So, we will put V here. Now, the information is arranged accordingly. Now, we will be able to answer the questions correctly. From here also, we will erase the information. It will be easy for us to write the answer. Question number 1. On which day of the week did Q leave? सप्ताह के कौन से दिन Q जाता है? तो Q चेन्नई को जाता है और कौन से दिन जाता है? संडे को जाता है. So the reply for the first question is Sunday. Question number 2. Who left for Bangalore? Bangalore के लिए कौन गया? We can see. Here will be V. Question number 3. On which day of the week did T leave? T कौन से दिन जाता है? T Wednesday को जाता है. Answer for the third question is Wednesday. Question number 4. Who left on Tuesday? Tuesday को कौन गया? Tuesday को P गया. Tuesday को P गया. Fifth question is which combination is not correct? कौन सा combination सही नहीं है? R जयपुर सही है. P चंडीगढ़ सही है. T हैदराबाद सही है. V Bangalore सही है. Means all the information are correct. So for the question number 5, option E is correct. That way we can solve this type of puzzle which is oftenly asked in the banking examination. Here the most important point to remember is grid of the days. Normally people start from the Monday, but here as I have taken directly from the calendar, so this starts from Sunday and we have to remember and follow this only. So thanks for being with us.